Hey, Ben here, and welcome to my vlog. And today, what I'm planning to do is aid the wife in her laundry room here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a base over the top here so she can put her clothes and stuff on top. So that's my project for today. I moved out of her house, and there was a broken table. So Patricia said, well, why don't we go ahead, can't we use that? So here's the table, and unfortunately it's broken. It's lost it's lost the front leg support, and the other one broke off of it, and she was just going to leave it. So I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and maybe we can go ahead and use that. So I measured it out, and I've got to cut off about 6 inches. So I'm going to cut it right along this support here, zip it right across, and then that should sit right up on top of that shelf. That'll make it, and then it'll come out, because I measured it exactly 5 feet, and it's got to be 43. 30 is 48 wide, so it needs to be about 36 in width. Decided that this is going to be, I'm going to do it from here. I'm going to cut it across here, because this will sit right on the back of that backboard and lift up high enough that it won't interfere with the faucets. So now I got to get the table slider out of the way. Take this wall off. Zip it here, and that'll leave me open to zip it across the bottom there. And I'll have to got a little bit of this so it's sitting. So when it sits down, it'll sit right down on this. So here we go. I've noticed that got these supports that are glued here to hold this together. So I noticed it is hardwood. It doesn't take much to break those loose. They are hardwood and glued. Give this table a new life. Little angle blocks to keep it in line here. And it's pretty cool. If you look in here, you can see their dovetail. You slide right in on there. Slide in, locked in place with a little nail. So that was one of the things that really belt. I suspect that's hardwood. You can see it was glued down pretty good because it takes the other wood with it. Okay. So this 1, 2, 3. has got a fly. So wood screws. A little metal insert. Squeezer. I'm gonna make it so this one, these here sit right on the back of the big beam. I'll have to take a little bit of this out, just enough so it sits on the back. And flush. There's the sawzall. The issue is how I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it straight. If I use a sawzall, at least I got these as a guide. Okay. Take that one out. What? Using a real fine. Okay. What's that? And then they go across the top of this. That puppy will slide right on in, I think. This really shouldn't work. It's about how wide that thing is. We don't want to have to mess with it again. Okay, took care of that one. Go back to the other way. Right. Cut in here a little bit. Take an indentation out. Okay, with that. Oof. Now the rough part's gonna be cutting a straight line across the top of this. Staying straight. I should flip it over and use a circular saw.